Today, I will be highlighting new data collaboration capabilities available on the Karlsgate Identity Exchange, or KIE. You will see the flexibility of the portal and its ease of use. There are no formulas, algorithms, or filters to enter or build. It is truly a no-code user platform. The new data collaboration capabilities are intended to help with remote data integration. With KIE, you can pull data from or push data to a partner once, or on a scheduled cadence of regular updates. A pull trade allows you to receive either fully anonymized or de-identified data from any number of data sources or partners without receiving any PII or persistent IDs. For the de-identified data option, locally generated match keys enable both easy master data management and future third-party matching without the risk of re-identification. A push trade allows you to send either fully anonymized or de-identified data to partners without sharing any PII or persistent IDs. For the de-identified data option, the receivers of the data can utilize locally generated match keys to manage data without risk of re-identification. For today's video, I will demonstrate how to pull a de-identified dataset into your environment with our no-code user interface. Again, I want to receive de-identified information from my trading partner. Since our system requires a listing on both sides, the first step is to set up what we call a placeholder listing. A placeholder listing is associated with one of your active nodes. It has no identifiers or attributes. A listing will be created with no records, in other words, with a quantity of 0, and it will appear under your listings section in KIE. Just 3 pieces of information are needed: a handle to name the listing, the visibility, and the node. Once I have defined the placeholder listing, I go to Listings, My Listings, and select the placeholder listing I just set up. Next, I select Pull from Partner. And lastly, I search for my trading partner, Savant, and then click Propose Trade. In this trade, elevation represents our node, and we are pulling data from Savant. I can select any combination of identifiers and attributes. The identifiers will be transformed into what we call local cryptonyms, with keys controlled by you. No clear text identifiers or persistent keys are used in this process. I click on the identifiers and attributes to be shared and enter a project name. A layered cryptographic and encryption process is used to secure the data at all stages of the process. Once the trade parameters have been selected, I click on Create Trade Proposal. The next screen is a confirmation page to review your selections. If everything looks okay, click on Yes, Create and Accept Trade Proposal. When the trade is completed processing, you can go to Trades History to review the transmittal report. The transmittal report shows the number of records received from the pull trade. In review, when you are pulling, you receive a file of exactly what you pulled. You do whatever you want to with a listing. You can use your MDM and integrate it into other data, or you can keep it separate. You can push all of the identifiers and attributes, and the identifiers will be set up as cryptonyms, or you can choose not to send any identifiers and simply send a completely anonymous file. To learn more about Karlsgate, go to karlsgate.com, or to sign up for a free account, go to portal.karlsgate.com and click the Join Now button. Thank you.